Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We're going to be doing French toast on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill, and we're actually going to be using the grill grate. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is what we got. We got 4 regular pieces of bread, just your regular standard bread. You can use any kind of bread that you want. And then we got our egg wash right here. So the egg wash is easy. I got 4 in here, but go ahead and what you do is just crack the egg, put it in there. You can use a whisk, a blender, whatever you want. I just used a fork, and then you just want to stir that up and make it so the yolk and everything has a, it's pretty consistent. It's not real thick or anything. And now with this, you can actually add vanilla or cinnamon or anything that you like. What I'm going to be doing today is actually just showing you how to get this great French toast on the Ninja Foodi using the grill grate. So no pans, no nothing. Anyway, yeah, easy, just like that. Like I said, you can add whatever you want. So the next thing, and I'm gonna just show you, this is how you just dip your bread in. Just coat both sides so that each side has some egg on it. All right, now you don't want to do this before you preheat. So this is just an example of how, how to do it, because I'm going to preheat and then I'm going to actually dip these in right before we put them on. I'm just showing you how to do it. So next step is we're going over to the Ninja Foodi. See you in a minute. Okay, so here we are at the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Obviously you're familiar with it. So what we're going to do, actually the first thing is we are going to be using the drip pan and then the grill grate for French toast. Yeah, the grill grate. So close that up. So what we're going to do is go ahead and turn this on. We're going to pick the grill function down here. Now it's already preset to high, so leave it on high. Go ahead and let this thing preheat, give it a few minutes. Once it's done, we'll be right back and throw this French toast on. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we're back after a few minutes of preheating. As you can see, it says add food. So we're going to go ahead and open up the top. That thing is hot. So I went ahead and here is what we got. I showed you how to dip them. I dipped them about 30 seconds ago, right when I was about to be done preheating. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on just like this. And each corner, you can fit 6 of these in here. We're just rolling with 4, but you can fit 6. Obviously, you can see there's room for 2 more there. Let me get that thing down there. And all you got to do is go ahead and close the top. We got it set for 10 minutes. We're going to give it 3 minutes. We'll be right back and see how these things turn out. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we are counting down. 4, 3, 2, 1. In 3 minutes, let's see what we got. Oh baby, those are looking amazing. Totally crispy on the outside, perfect. And I don't know, but for presentation, I like that. The marks, absolutely. But they're crispy like toast on the outside and super soft on the inside. Yeah, those are good. Like I said, you could add vanilla, cinnamon, whatever you like, but these things are perfect. Good. And they're crispy. Oh, you can't hear it, but yeah, they're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. So what we're gonna do, take them off real quick, butter up, maple syrup, all that good stuff. See you in just a minute. Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so here we are. Sorry you didn't see me butter and stuff, but I literally just took them off. But you gotta get the butter and everything off or on while it's still hot to melt. You see all the syrup all over the place. And these are great because there's no additional butter, oil, anything when you're cooking them, and they're actually crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They are super good, and well, of course, we gotta try them. Bon appetit. That's French toast on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Let's get up top. I got something to say. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so that's it. That's how you get some easy, awesome, syrup drip everywhere, but easy, awesome French toast. Now, the what's good about this is that, you use the extra oil, butter, and all that stuff, but when you do, it's basically like air frying because it's a conventional or convection oven actually. So it actually gets the outside of it really toasty, almost like a, well, almost like a piece of toast, but more like a crouton almost, but the inside is real soft. I love it. So yeah, really easy, but if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about breakfast as far as what you like the best. French toast, waffles, pancakes. For me, it's literally in that order. French toast first for me, waffles second, pancakes. I am just not a big fan of pancakes, but whatever. So that's how you do French toast in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Make sure to leave that comment, give a thumbs up, and with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.